Oil prices ease in advance of U.S. stock records. Oil fees edged down on Wednesday, pressured by way of global vital financial institution efforts to tame inflation and ahead of expected builds in U.S. crude inventories as product call for weakens. Brent crude costs for September fell 37 cents, or 0.3%, to $106.98 a barrel by way of 0340 GMT, at the same time as U.S. West Texas Intermediate WTI crude for August slipped 69 cents, or 0.7%, to $103.53 according to Barrel. The WTI agreement will expire in a while Wednesday. The more energetic September WTI agreement changed into $100.24 a barrel, down 50 cents. Oil costs whipsawed inside the preceding session, stuck in a tug-of-war between supply fears because of Western sanctions on Russia and pressures on symptoms from valuable bankers that they'll improve interest fees to fight inflation. Both contracts settled about 1% higher on Tuesday on tight materials globally that have additionally stored the prompt Brent intermonth spreads in wide backwardation at approximately $4.40 a barrel. Front-month prices are better than the ones in future months in a backwardated marketplace, indicating tight elements. On Friday, open interest in New York Mercantile Exchange futures fell to their lowest in view that September 2015 as traders reduce volatile property like commodities, worried that the Federal Reserve will keep raising U.S. hobby rates. People have been switching out of Delta One products simply being long the futures or lengthy through the index into alternatives because of the pointy pullback, Stephen Innes, dealing with accomplice at SPI Asset Management, stated in a note. They have modified from being completely uncovered to the drawback to exploring it via options, tending toward buying calls, name spreads, and selling puts. In the USA, crude stocks rose via about 1.9 million barrels for the week ended July 15, according to Market Assets citing American Petroleum Institute figures on Tuesday. That changed into near the forecast for a rise of 1.4 million barrels in a poll. Official weekly crude and gas inventory records from the U.S. Energy Information Administration (EIA) is expected on Wednesday at 15:30 GMT and traders are looking out for implied demand. EIA-S. The U.S. 3-2-1 and gas crack spreads measures of refining earnings margins each fell to their lowest since April on Tuesday, indicating weaker fuel call for